Make a great first impression on your new subscribers by creating an automated welcome email that will be sent to new contacts who join your mailing lists. To get started, click Automation from the list. From there, choose either the Welcome SMS option or the Welcome Basic option. With the Welcome SMS option, contacts who are subscribed to receive SMS messages will receive a text, and anyone who isn't will receive an email. At the top of the path, you'll see your trigger. This is what will trigger your welcome email to send. So in this case, it's when someone subscribes to any list. You can edit your trigger by clicking the three dots here and then clicking Edit. When you've made your selection, click Save. Next, you need to customize the email and the SMS message that will be sent to new contacts. Click the three dots on the SMS option here and then choose Edit. Give your SMS message a name and then click Continue. Customize your SMS message and then click Save and Close. You'll be taken back to the Path Editor where you can then click the three dots here to customize your welcome email. Choose to either create a new email or copy one of your existing emails. Give your email a name and then click Continue. Pick a template from the options displayed and then customize and add your content as needed. Just click the different sections to change the content and customize the message. When you're finished, click Save and Close. If you want, you can also add more emails or splits to your path to really customize and create a full welcome series. If you're interested in learning more about conditional splits and automated paths, please check out our help article. When you're finished customizing your path and creating all of the emails on it, click Activate. And that's how easy it is to engage your new subscribers with Constant Contact.